Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video I'd like to show you a nice method to make your own vintage sunset design by using PowerPoint only. No Photoshop, no Illustrator, no Canva or any other professional softwares, just by using PowerPoint. So after this video you will not need to buy them at all. So let's go. And now let's begin with opening a new PowerPoint file. Okay. Just remove these boxes. Perfect. Then go to Insert, Shapes, okay, and add a circle from Basic Shapes, as you see. Okay. You can change its color to yellow, as you see, for example. Then go to Insert again, Shapes, pick a rectangle, okay, make it thin, as you see. Perfect. You can taller, then make it here, okay, just we can make it like this one. Control D to duplicate this line. Okay, as you want. Okay. Okay. Firstly, you can select this circle, the yellow circle. Okay. Then hold Shift and select all these lines, okay, as you see. Don't forget any of these stripes. Perfect. Then go to this format, okay, and merge shapes, as you see, and you'll find this option in the recent versions of PowerPoint 2016 up. Just select Subtract. Perfect. As you see, this shape. Thus you can add the sunset effect to this shape, and here you have two options. Either you can add some gradient colors like orange, red, blue, and so on, or you can fill this shape with a sunset image, okay, and I will make it clear for you. Just firstly we can duplicate this shape, Ctrl D, as you see, okay, and for the first shape just to go to this format, shape fill, as you see, gradient, and choose more gradients, okay, and then in this right panel, in this format shape options, go to gradient fill, okay, type linear, okay, and here you can choose your colors, your gradient colors to fill this shape, okay. So we can pick the first color as green, okay, the second one we can take it as yellow, for example, okay, the third one we can make it orange, for example, move it a little left, okay, the fourth one we can take as red, as you see, okay, you can add another one, here we can choose, for example, blue, okay, and of course you can change these colors to get your own vintage sunset design. And now move to the second shape to fill it with a sunset image, okay, and first of all we go to Pixabay or any other website that gives you free photos with commercial license. And in a former video I talked about 20 different websites that give you free royalty stock photos with commercial license, and I will leave this video below in the first comment. And now we can search for a sunset, okay, sunset, okay, and you can pick out any one of these beautiful sunset. For example, we can take this one, okay, to fill our shape with it. We can make it smaller, okay, download, perfect one. Back to our PowerPoint, okay, and this is the second shape. Go to picture or texture fill, okay, as you see, insert picture from file, okay, downloads our sunset, perfect, as you see. Then here you can add anything you want, graphics, vectors like clouds, walls, trees, mountains, superheroes, and so on. For example, we can add trees for this sunset vintage design. We can go to this website, free SCVG, okay. We can search for here trees, okay. We can search for any of these trees. Go to the second page. Okay, we can choose this one, for example, okay. Small PNG. Perfect. Back to our PowerPoint, insert pictures, this one, okay, as you see, okay. So how to put these trees on our sunset vintage design? Firstly, we have to make a copy of the original one with a solid color. So we go to insert, shapes, select from basic shapes, circle, okay, as you see, and we can make identical for the first one, as you see, exactly, perfect, okay. And here we can put our trees, okay, we can make it forward, perfect. Then select trees, shift the solid color circle, okay, go to format, merge shapes, and intersect, as you see, okay. Then bring these trees, put to our design like this, simply. Okay, and when you're happy with the design, just select everything in this design, okay, like that, right click, save as picture, PNG portable network graphics format, okay, and save. Your design will be with a transparent background. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.